Hey guys, I'm here with another great product from VECELO. This is a nice bed frame. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to put together and how nice this bed frame looks once it's all completed. This is going to work really great for my spare bedroom here, and I'm sure it's going to work really good for your application. Let's go ahead and get this thing together and see how good it looks once we get it done. One thing I do like is that it does come with the Allen wrenches that you're going to need to get this assembled, so you don't even need any tools. So the instructions are super easy to follow, nice step by step. Alright, so got this bed frame most of the way together here. Just got to start on the drawers next, but this one together super easy. Hasn't taken very long, just a couple of minutes. Nice solid structure, I really like it. They did make it very robust. A lot of people like using side drawers on the bed because it saves on space. It takes unusable space and makes it usable. This will help so you don't have to get such a big dresser in the room. Really nice to have that extra storage space. So these guys just roll right under here. They roll right out. You can put your sheets in there, your clothes in there, anything you need. Alright guys, got it all together here. This is a really nice looking bed frame. I really like it. Very functional. Very good utilization of space. So this bed, honestly, this is a great right now frame. It's affordable, sturdy, and does exactly what it's supposed to do without paying for long-term premium features. If you plan on upgrading down the road, this keeps things practical and budget friendly. So this is a great bed. This is going to work, do the job. I recommend picking one of these up. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys want to get one of these, we got a link below. Please click on that link and go ahead and grab one of these beds for yourself. I think you guys will enjoy it. Thank you.